Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do it right there and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Big Brother Mzansi, a winner, Sweet Golova and DJs in Lebasa studio cooking something for us. There's a song that's gonna pop at DJs and uSweet Golova ke sana ukuthi uSweet Golova washona lapha ku-Big Brother House ukuthi yena is a jack of all trades ke sana, ufuna ku-actor, ufuna ku-presenter, ufuna kuqula, ukufuna konke, ukuthi nje mine ngikufuna konke, ngifuna nje kukwenta konke. So ngalesikhathi eceda kuwina i-Big Brother Mzansi uSweet Golova, u-DJ Zinhle did announce ukuthi utoqula ingoma with uSweet Golova, and people dragged u-DJ Zinhle bathi u-DJ Zinhle uyathanda kuyuzana. First it was my content creator boDominic boDuhle bonke laba nje ufuna kubathatha abagodle just for her to stay relevant and aloku angaphume gaming, and people are saying ukuthi uyabayuza nje labantu abebanda yikho indzaba yabo, angikubona ngathi famous or relevant or everyone is talking about you, umuntu ofuna ukuthatha acule nawe or aku-invite kulama event akhe. So people are just saying ukuthi Kale siyabona lento lozama kuyenda. Nangalesikhathi announce ukuthi utoqula naSweet Golova abantu bamhlafuna ini bathi uqalile nje wona DJ Zinhle. Wena wonke umuntu lombona ngazuthi uSanzwa Mzansi ufuna kumthatha umfake ngaphasi kweliphiko lakho, so that wena uhlala u-relevant, so that wena abantu batohlala abakhuluma ngawo. But I think she's a sweet person yet. I genuinely think ukuthi she's a sweet person. Even in my comments TikTok, like we are comment, man. I mean, I think DJ Zinhle, she's someone lophila na wonke umuntu, and she doesn't see herself as a celebrity or akaboni bantu as their fans, who treats abantu as friends. So for people to drag her to thatha ama-content creators into engazuthi uyabathanda kuba kabathanza, I really think ukuthi that's not fair, guys. Nina ngazuthi ngithanda abantu labadonishayela ascot ma-attitude. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out, so goodbye.